Today we're going to be reviewing a solar motion sensor security light. Here's what comes in the box. 3 long zip ties, remote, some screws, and a manual. The solar light. It's foldable, adjustable. That's your 3 lights. And the solar panel. That's how it looks. So it has a power button back here. And that's a mode button back here. This is where you turn it on. Ooh. This is where you turn it on. You can see they're foldable, so you can put it in different ways. Front, so you get more light, 180 degrees, or if you want to the front and the sides, or the back. You can turn it all the way around. The remote. The remote has 20 seconds, 30 seconds, dim and off for motion sensor. And the light mode is 2 hours, hour, and 6 hours. You can dim it and turn it off too there. So you have to touch a mode back here. You can just do it with this. It has 4 modes. It has 1200 lumens, so that means that is super bright. I'm gonna put it in my backyard because my backyard is not that big, so I expect the light to light up my whole backyard. So I'm pretty happy about it. It has a 6,000 milliamp battery. So between the solar and the battery, you can go for 3 days if there's no light. So that's pretty good. It's waterproof, so you could have it outside, and it's IP65 waterproof, so you know you can resist all weathers. So that's a great feature too. So let's go install it and see how it works. All right, so we're gonna install the light. This light, I already measured these holes and put the screws. All you got to do is go under and secure it. That's all you have to do to install it. Isn't that easy? And then to do the panel, you can put it somewhere else, hinge it in somewhere else, but I got a spot. If you don't get enough sun, you can put it anywhere else, on top, wherever you want, but I have sun here, so I just have to slide it in there in the spot that is for it. Tilt it a little bit, hide this cable, hide the cable. I will zip tie later, but it's just for the video. So you can see it's getting sun already. We'll come back at night and see how well it lights up my backyard. Let's test the light. See, it's pitch black outside. Motion detection. The light's right there. You see all the lights up. All this. From that little light. Super bright. Definitely worth it. We'll stay on for 40 seconds. I definitely recommend it. Super bright.